Nova review. Hi, Kerry here from Dream Creative Marketing, and welcome to my channel where I show you how to make money online with affiliate marketing with honest reviews, tips, and training every week. So be sure to hit the big red subscribe button. So today I am reviewing Nova, which is brought to you by Jono, Armstrong, and Robin Palmer. It launched today on the 16th of February 2021 at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and the launch period ends on Sunday, February 21st at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it comes off the Warrior Plus platform. So today what we'll look at is we will look at the sales page, then we'll go into the members area, then I'll actually show you what it's supposed to do with TikTok, and I'll mention the terms and conditions of TikTok itself, and then we will look at the OTOs and the pros and cons and whether you should buy it or not. So this is the sales page, and basically it's trying to compare itself with Tesla and Elon Musk as a business policy, and it's saying you can flood your link with free traffic from 1 billion potential buyers at the push of a button. So we're making 900 to 1,200 daily. Now it's your turn. So there's Jono talking about it. It's got the usual 3 steps: set it up, automate, and profit. Now you can set it up really quickly and easily. I've got to give them that. But can you actually be getting traffic and profiting from it? I don't know. I don't even know why they've linked it with Elon Musk. Elon Musk himself will not know anything about this because he's out there trying to figure out about SpaceX and Tesla, and no longer is with PayPal. So why that is linked. So it's Jono and his partner Robin Palmer in this. And then it says you can be using it for all of this. Now, do you know it's even for what it is? It doesn't actually tell you what it is. It just says use a system called Nova. So you don't even know what platform or anything like that. Here it's showing TikTok. So is that really what it is? It's something to do with TikTok. So the problem is getting traffic. You can either use YouTube, Udemy, which is solo ads. I wouldn't recommend using solo ads. Google ads, SEO.com, so using SEO policies, Facebook ads, and Bing ads. And then again, we've got a random picture of a Tesla, somebody who's spent a fortune doing something, a random affiliate links for something, and again, repeats. So these are some reviews of people that have used it. Yes, she's in the case study, and I've watched these case studies. So that's her there. And she's also in the case study in the members area. This case study is quite interesting. So, yep, that's okay. Then it's saying all these things. Then here's the dream, travel the world. Yeah. So that could be you as well with this plugin. Simple answer is no, it can't. So it's web-based, honestly is. Traffic generator, there's training, it's very basic. And then there's some bonuses if you get it earlier. So anyway, that's the sales page. You generally see these. So from the sales page, you don't know what this is. So what is it? It's a Chrome plugin to be used with TikTok at the front end, at least. So here we are. This is it. There is a welcome video in here from Jono himself. And there's a link to register for a webinar, which no doubt will be a sales webinar. Then there's an overview of the system. Now, the example of this overview of the system is actually showing you Instagram. But yet, if you only purchase the front end, it's for TikTok. So that can be a bit confusing. Then it's about installing the Nova extension. But here, it's showing you installing the Twitter extension. Fortunately, it's the exact same method, and as he's talking you through it, you can follow along what he's saying, despite the screenshot being in Swedish and the file being in Spanish. So that's confusing as well. And then it's how to use the TikTok Nova extension. Very basic, doesn't explain what you've got to actually do. It just shows you some different pictures. So that's where you download it and then you install it as a Chrome plugin. So then there's this how to set up your offers and your tutorial. It doesn't actually explain to you what to do with this link that it creates. So this is the software. So you put your name in, you put your affiliate link, you can put your pixel IDs into your Facebook pixel IDs and your Google Analytics IDs, and then you've got a choice of 3 of these here. So let's just put that. So I've got to put a valid link. Let's do google.com. Even that's not valid. Let me just copy it out. Here we go. Generate. So it actually does me some sort of page and a bonus page thing. So they'd watch the video about GrooveFunnels review, but why can't you do your own and then access that? And that should take you to GrooveFunnels, basically. So I don't understand why that's needed. So that's one of the things you get at the front end. And then you also get access to done for you opt-in pages, which is okay. They're very basic. You've probably got better templates in Groove Pages itself. Groove Pages is free, so that's fine. You can build up to 3 websites. They can have as many pages as they want. GrooveFunnels itself is great. I personally have it, so no complaints there, but that I don't understand. But those are the 3 affiliate links you can have. You've got to sign up for Ministry of Freedom, which is Jono Armstrong's own one, and sign up for Empire. And he was talking about monthly payments here. Well, GrooveFunnels hasn't gone to monthly payments. They keep talking about it. It's in beta. Whether that will happen is up for debate. I'm not sure, because they're talking about doing something else with regards to the business. But anyway, and it's all confusing. There's not enough training in this at all. Then this is quite a good case study by David, and he talks about getting 200 extra followers. He says per day, but he's only up to 551 followers now. Then Instagram is another David, and he talks about the Instagram plugin. Bill talks about the Instagram plugin, and then Nadia as well talks about that Instagram plugin. Now, if you only get the front end, you only get TikTok plugin, so you can get bonuses with it as well. But the thing here is there's no training on TikTok. There was nothing on the sales page telling you what actually this thing is. So it looks okay. So let's have a look. So this is TikTok. TikTok is where you create short videos. You put them onto TikTok. You get people watching you. You can do all sorts of things, pranks, affiliate marketing, things like that. This is this David guy's one here. He's got a couple of videos. Like I said, he's only got 551 followers. He has got a link. Now, when I first checked this out, there was no link showing up. And somebody said you had to have so many views before a link shows up. And I think it's 1,000 views before you can get a link that is clickable. So you need to make enough videos to get that so that you've got a clickable link. So the whole point of this is you need to find somebody to follow that gets a lot of comments, like Grant Cardone or somebody in your niche that gets a lot of comments, because that's the only way it works. It won't follow anybody that hasn't got comments, and you don't know that in the training. The only way you know that is from this case study here, where it says 200 followers per day, and it is not covered in the basic training from Robin Palmer. He misses a lot, and it is quite confusing. So that I wouldn't be impressed with. So yep, you have to go in. So you would check to see, and he's got 2 comments. So you could, if you were logged in, go and follow these people comments, or you could just use Nova, which is plugged in here. So that has access to this site. So you would click on it, and I could stop the scripts because I've already set one up. So the settings is here, where you would follow someone every 20 minutes, maximum followers per day, and I've reduced it down. It's automatically at 30. Now again, there is nothing in the training to actually tell you what you should and shouldn't be doing with this and how to protect your account from getting banned. Now, he mentioned something about it in this video, not this video, this one here, this installing. It actually says, check out the other video above to see what to do. And there isn't one that tells you what to do. So that I would be concerned about. Plus, TikTok's own terms and services says about do not, and it's up here, your access to and use of services is subjected to these terms and all applicable laws and regulations. You may not, and then I've highlighted this bit, use automated scripts to collect information from or otherwise interact with this service. This is automated and it interacts with the service. So you are risking your account getting closed down. So if you've got a really good TikTok account, I don't see why you would be using that. So that is TikTok's own terms of service. So you shouldn't be even using this. And anyway, surely you could go into TikTok and follow people and be deciding who you're following and actually make it a truly interactive thing that you can actually be following and checking out videos as well. And actually seeing if TikTok works. I don't know if it does actually work for people. You might get followers, but will you be getting buyers? Especially in the make money online niche. You might get it for like diets or clothes or something like that. It's same with Instagram. Does Instagram actually make people money in there for their marketing niche? I'm not sure. So that is the front end. It does it for TikTok. So there are 4 OTOs, and the first one is $47, and that is to get the unlimited version. So all limits removed from your account. Add unlimited accounts. So with the front end, you only get 1 account that you can connect it up to. And then there's a link shortener as well, but you can get that yourself from Bitly or Pretty Links or affiliate links. And then premium support. So you'd have to test that out and see. So also, if you say no thank you, you can get $10 off, and that brings it down to $37. Then there is upgrade 2, which is for 25 more done for you campaigns, which is this here. So instead of the 3 that you see there, you get 25 more, so you would end up with 28 campaigns. I don't know which campaigns they were for. And again, if you say no thank you, you can get $30 off that, making it $67. Then upgrade 3 is $197 with the 30-day money back guaranteed. And this one here is basically plugging into the high ticket plus traffic system. Unlock 1.3 billion more visitors, steal Jono's traffic, an automated high ticket system. I don't know what that is, don't know any details other than that. And if you click no thank you, you can get $100 knocked off that, so it comes down to $97. And then the last one is this one here, which is upgrade 4, and it's basically a resell everything, resell all of the Nova bundle, which will be for all the different apps. So Twitter and Instagram and TikTok, which you can actually use. So it's a reseller license for that. And again, if you say no thank you, you get $100 off it, so it's $97 for that. So if you bought it all at full price, it would come to over $560 for a plugin, basically. So let's have a look. So the pros of it is it seems to be working, it seems to be doing its job. It's just a simple program. The cons of it, on the sales page, it doesn't actually tell you what it is. In no way does it tell you what it is. But the major con is it's actually going against the terms and services of TikTok, which you are using it for. So that's the major con out of all of this. Another con is the training. The training doesn't teach you on TikTok or any traffic method using TikTok. But again, it doesn't promise you that on the sales page either. And it's very confusing that the videos are mixed between Instagram, Twitter, and it talks about a video that's clearly missing that shows you actually how to use it and where you would actually put these links here if you were going to use them. The best training really is this case study here. That the more information in that, and then here this seemed fine. I could follow that, but then again, I know GrooveFunnels, so I would know what I was doing, and bits was missing off that. In fact, he recommended you search out YouTube for how to integrate your autoresponder with it. So I'm going to give it a 2 out of 10. It does work, but it's going against the terms of service. It's basic. The training is very basic, and you could probably do all this manually without much hard work. In fact, probably about the same amount of work it takes you anyway, because you've still got to go in and actually look for comments, because like this guy, he's hardly got any comments on his account. So go here, he's got 1. Here he's got 0, but you need to go and check out all these different videos to see if that was working. So my opinion, stay away from it. 2 out of 10. If you want to get it, buy it, make sure you refresh this page and get $3 off. So if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out some of my other reviews that I've done.